Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. As we're getting into the busyness of the holiday season, today I'm showing you a super quick holiday card that you could easily mass produce. So let's get started. I'm using the Good Tidings product suite, and I start by blending Distress Oxide ink onto the layered stencils. I use peacock feathers for the holly leaves and Uncharted Mariner for the holly leaf accents. Chipped sapphire colors the pine needles, and then I use festive berries and lumberjack plaid for the berries. Finally, I blend ground espresso over the pine cones. Then I use my heat gun to thoroughly dry the ink. I'm only blending one panel, but you could easily set up a stack of cardstock panels and blend one layer onto all the panels before moving to the next stencil layer, kind of assembly line style. Once the ink is dry, I stamp the coordinating Good Tidings stamp over the stenciled image using my MISTI. I heat emboss it with gold glitter embossing powder, then I die cut it with the coordinating die. For my background, I take an A2 panel of white cardstock, spritz it with water, and then place it in the Woodgrain embossing folder. The embossing folder embosses this really dimensional woodgrain pattern over the panel. Next, I splatter the woodgrain panel with gold paint and let it dry. While it's drying, I die cut and stamp the sentiment from joy and adhere the layered word together. Once the gold paint has dried, I adhere the stenciled image and sentiment to the panel. Off camera, I add a few metallic gold pearls for a little extra shine. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the new Holiday Wishes release in the YouTube description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!